Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to customize the appearance of your Linktree account. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the appearance button down below, which is the second option. Here you can see your profile. You can add an image of yourself by tapping on the add an image button. You can either click on the choose one from the library button, which means that you will be able to select a picture from your gallery, or you can also take a picture by tapping on the second button. Allow the app to have access to your camera and then take a picture. Click on use photo down below and tap on it. Tap on choose, and as you can see, it has been set as your profile picture. You can also add your profile title, such as your bio, so you can write a few words about yourself. After that, as you scroll down, you can select your theme. You can customize it by tapping on the create your own button, and here you can select the background. As you can see, there are many other options that are only available to premium users of the application. You can also select from these two free ones, and you can also choose the buttons, the outline, hard shadows, soft shadow, and also you have these special buttons. As you scroll down, you can select the font. There are many categories such as classics, modern, unique, and basically that's it. So if you are done with it, just simply go back to your home page and it will be updated. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.